Most people who try to get fit quit within 2 weeks, not because they're lazy, but because nobody showed them where to actually start. I'm Dr. J from VitalCore Health, where modern medicine meets natural wisdom. In the next 8 minutes, I'll give you 7 habits and 5 exercises that will change your body in 4 weeks. No gym, no equipment, no extreme dieting. Let's get into it. Your transformation begins the moment you wake up, not at the gym. Step outside early, breathe fresh air, move your body in the morning sunlight. A simple 20-minute walk improves your metabolism, reduces stress, and resets your sleep cycle naturally. Begin with purpose, and that clarity carries you through the entire day. You cannot out-train a bad diet. Focus on whole foods, lean protein, vegetables, fruit, healthy fats, and enough water daily. Cut processed snacks, sugary drinks, and late-night eating. Small, consistent changes here create bigger results than any crash diet ever will. The biggest beginner mistake: going too hard too fast, then burning out completely. Start with walking, progress to jogging, then gradually add strength training. Simple rule: feel challenged, but never completely out of breath. Your body grows stronger during recovery, not during exhaustion. Alternate workouts. Run one day, cycle the next, rest after that. Rest is not weakness. Rest is the plan. Your body starts changing from day one. You just can't see it yet. One missed workout won't ruin you. Coming back tomorrow is what matters. Consistency beats motivation every single time. Poor sleep raises stress hormones, increases cravings, and blocks fat loss. 7 to 8 hours every night. Phone down, lights dim. Let your body rebuild. Better sleep equals better results. Every time. Sitting all day creates tight hips, weak core, and lower back pain. Daily stretching and mobility work reverses that damage. 5 minutes daily improves how you move, breathe, and feel permanently. Stop chasing temporary results. A daily 20-minute walk beats an intense gym session you do once and quit. True fitness is energy, confidence, mobility, and longevity. Build habits you can keep for life, not just 30 days. Now, 5 beginner movements, no equipment. Do them at home. Exact sets and reps for each. No guesswork. The plank builds core strength, improves posture, and protects your spine. Forearm position. Body perfectly straight. Head to heels. Tighten your core. Keep breathing slowly. Beginners, 20 to 30 seconds. Rest. 3 sets total. Add 5 seconds every week as you get stronger. Push-up builds chest, shoulders, arms, and core, all in one movement. Hands slightly wider than shoulders, body in a straight line. 2 seconds down. Press back up with control. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Knees down if needed. Still effective. Squat. Targets quads, hamstrings, glutes, hips, and core together. Feet shoulder width. Chest tall, back straight, hips back. Like sitting into a chair behind you, drive through heels to stand back up. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 60 seconds rest between sets. Bird dog, perfect for balance, coordination, and lower back stability. All fours. Right arm forward, left leg back simultaneously. Hold 2 seconds, switch sides. That is 1 rep. 3 sets of 10 each side. Slow and controlled, always. Glute bridge, on your back. Knees bent, feet flat. Press through heels. Lift hips until shoulders, hips, and knees form a straight line. Squeeze at the top. Hold 2 seconds. Lower slowly. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Especially powerful if you sit all day. Directly strengthens what sitting breaks down. Real transformation is built through small daily decisions, repeated consistently over time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Before starting any new fitness routine, please consult your doctor first, especially if you have existing health conditions. If this helped you today, hit like right now. Subscribe to Dr. J VitalCore Health for weekly health tips every single week. Drop a comment below. Which habit are you starting with tomorrow? I'm Dr. J. Stay healthy, stay strong. See you in the next one. Before you leave, remember this simple rule. The secret rule for a healthy life is to follow DWS. D stands for drink enough water. Hydrate your body, support your energy, fuel every cell. W stands for walk daily. Move a little more, clear your mind, strengthen your body one step at a time. S stands for sleep well, because recovery is where real transformation begins. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need complicated routines. Small habit repeated every day can create powerful, long-term results. This is Dr. J VitalCore Health, where modern health meets simple daily habits. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next video.